Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you and also tell you how to fix the error if the uploaded media files in Telegram are not displayed for you. Please, friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure, friends, write your comments after watching and don't forget to put your likes. So let's get down to our topic. And it happens that for some reason, when you upload your photos or videos or other files, other information from Telegram, you can't find them later in your gallery or in your file manager. So how to fix this situation? First of all, friends, I recommend you to see if your Telegram is updated to the latest version. To do this, please open the Play Store on your device. Then go to the search part and enter the word Telegram in the search box. Open Telegram, and if you have the word update here instead of the word open, then your Telegram is a bit outdated and you need to update it to the newest version. During the update, Telegram can be restored, possibly some corrupted files, as well as clearing the cache, which will help to fix this error. Also further, friends, I recommend you to open the settings on your device. To do this, swipe from the right side from top to bottom, click on the gear, swipe down, and find the Management Apps or Just Apps option. Next, open a list of all your apps and in the search box, simply type the word Telegram. Go to that app, and first of all, open the permission. Next, check absolutely all the permission items that you have. You need all of them to be enabled. Go through each of the items and activate it. By doing so, you will be able to download any files on your device without any problems or interruptions. Next, friends, go to the mobile data option and activate everything here as well so that your Telegram works without any interruption on mobile data or Wi-Fi. Also, friends, go further to battery. Activate this option so that the Telegram app can always use the battery options. And then go back and go to cache and storage. And the next thing you need to do is to clear cache and clear storage. After such actions, the Telegram app will be updated. All unnecessary files and cache will be deleted. After that, the problem that you had earlier, they will be eliminated. This is the method, friends, you can fix the error. Downloaded media files in Telegram are displayed. I really hope, friends, that this video was useful for you and helped you. Please don't forget to put your likes, comments, and subscribe to our channel. Take care, friends.